Hello, welcome to the Cloud Factory. Today I'm going to show you how to make necklines patterns as well as make your own necklines designs. For that you will need your basic top patterns and paper for your patterns. If you don't know how to get your basic patterns or you don't have it, I will leave you a link over here so you can jump to that video where I show you how to make these basic patterns. Well, once you have your material ready, let's see what kind of necklines we can make. The first one is a simple round neckline, then a V-shaped neckline, a square neckline, mauve with V-shape neckline, heart-shaped, custom designs necklines, strapless style, and strapless with spaghetti strips. Of course, there are plenty of designs of necklines, so I just chose this variety of it to show you how to make it. But once you learn how this works, you can do whatever you want, any shape you want for your neckline. You will be able to make a pattern of it. I will show you only how to make the front part of your neckline, because obviously is the most important part. For the back part, just follow the same process that I will show you for the front part. Fold your paper by the middle and transfer here in the folded part. Align your top pattern like this and transfer it. Once you have it, obviously if you cut this you will have the full front part pattern, but if we want that our neckline looks the same exactly from this side that from this side, we will design the half of it. Once you have this, the only thing you have to do is know that this line, this point, if you trace this line, this is the line which is going from your underarm point to the center of your breast. Now, for example, if you want a V-shape neckline, the only thing you have to do is from this point, passing through this point, trace a line. Your pattern ready. Now you have your pattern for your front part with your V-shaped neckline. Now to make the inner cover part of your neckline, take more paper and now we will transfer the V shape we got in our pattern, and also a part of your shoulder as much as you want, but it must be the same distance from here to here that from here to here. Now the only thing you have to do is follow the V shape to get your inner part. Now cut it. Now you have the inner part of your neckline and your front pattern. I will show you how to sew it later. To make a round neckline, you only have to transfer this point to here, go up as much as you want, I will make this on a scale so I can't tell you a specific measurement for here. Just take the measurement from this point to up in your own body and go up as much as you want, and from this line to this point just make a round shape. If you see, all the necklines process design is the same. You have to draw and cut it, and now you have your front part with round neckline. To make the inner cover part, do the same process I show you. It will be the same for all. Once you transfer it, just follow, keeping the same distance from here to here. Just follow the shape. And that's it. Now cut it. And that's it. Your patterns are ready. To make a square neckline, just found this point and make a line going through over there as much as you want, and after that make a 90 degrees angle with this border and trace, and that's it. It's so easy. Now you have your pattern. For the inner part is the same process, and your pattern is ready. Now we will make this neckline, mound neckline with V shape. For that you will need to make a line over here from your shoulder part going straight. After that, go in real patterns, go 1 inch down and trace a line there like this. We will not need this. Then go 1/2 inch from here to here. Transfer this point to here and join these points. And now you have the pattern like this. And now we will make the Mao neckline. For that, you only need to take the measurement around your neck. And we will make a strap of your pattern. This strap must be the length of your neckline measurement around, and from here you decide the height you want for your Mao neckline and put it double here. For example, if I want 2 inches for my Mao neckline, I am talking about this measurement from here to here. So if I want 2 inch, I should add 4 inch from here to here, because this will be fold. and then I will put it here. Now for a heart shape neckline, transfer the same point in your underarm, making a 90 degrees angle from this line, like this. And then basically the only thing you have to do is draw the shape like this curve, and that's it. And now you have it. Now make your inner cover part with the same process I showed you before for other necklines. Now, to make custom shape necklines such as this one or this one, first the need you have to do is design what do you want. So draw a simple top part sketch, and after that just design what do you want for your neckline. This is your sketch, so you have to take the half of that sketch, and then you will know what you have to draw in your pattern. This kind of necklines is basically that you have to draw it freehand style. So I will make, for example, this one. So to get this shape, I will mark the same point here from my underarm, and then this is my limit. Remember, this is your limit if you don't want to show your boobies in public. So just follow, I will follow this line, and I will make a curve here, and I will make another curve here, and that's it. Now you have your neckline with the shape you want, and make your inner cover part also transferring the shape, and after that, just for this kind of necklines, since this part of the fabric it will not be visible, you can do both things. You can follow the shape as this, or you can simply make a shape like this, because this will be inside your clothes, so it will be not visible, so it's not important. And now you have it. Now to make strapless necklines and spaghetti strips necklines, you have to the same, transfer your pattern and make the same line, from your underarm part, and the only thing you have to do is from this point to this point. It depends. If you want a straight line, just leave it like this and cut it from here, from this line. If you want a heart shape, then you have to make a curve from this point to this point. make a curve and cut it. And here you have, obviously, this kind of necklines is, for example, for a dress or for a blouse. So of course I am only showing you the top part, but the top part of my pattern, but you must add the skirt part here and the skirt part here of the pattern to get a full dress. Once you have this, you have to make the same inner cover part, or if you want, and also not or also if you want strips, spaghetti strips for this kind of neckline, the only thing you have to do is cut strips of your fabric. The strips, obviously it must be the double size of the width you want, because you will fold it. Suppose this is my fabric. For this you don't need a pattern. And fold it and stitch it here. Also for these strips you can use the same fabric and cut it as I show you, or you can use also a ribbon or a lace or any beautiful material you can find. Now I will show you how to sew the neckline and the inner cover part. Pin your patterns to your fabric. And after that, cut it, but remember to leave a border for seam allowance. Now you have your both parts in your fabric. I will remove the pins and the pattern, and then this is the right side of my fabric and this is the right side of my fabric, with the right side up and the right side down, like this. Pin your neckline inner cover to your top part, like this, and sew from here. Once you sew it, the only thing you have to do is fold the inner part inside, like this, and press it to avoid this double fold to be visible. So now this trim, you can leave it like this, but it's not comfortable at the time to wear your clothes. So the thing you can do is make an invisible stitch here manually, or also you can use fabric adhesive tape like this. This is the tape I show you in the borders and trims video. Just the only thing you have to do is put the tape here between your two pieces of fabric and press it, iron it, and that will make this tape to paste your both pieces of fabric. And that's it. You have your neckline ready to join the other parts of your clothes, such as the back part, sleeves, etc. For the back part, Neckline is exactly the same process. Decide the shape you want, make the inner pattern, and sew it in the same way I show you for the front part. Once your back part and the front part are ready, then you can join your shoulder parts and the sleeves. And that's it. I hope you liked the video and the tutorial, and remember, I will be waiting for your comments and ratings, and you can also email me. You can find my email in my channel page, and don't forget to show me if you do it. Give me a video response to this video or send me pictures by email, and I will be happy to see. Happy stitches for all of you, and see you in my next video.